Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm a senior instructional designer at Landing AI.
In LandingLens, you can revert projects you own from a snapshot. This is useful if you saved a snapshot, added images and labels to the project, then decided the new images are no longer relevant to your project, so you want to return to the first dataset. You can do this by reverting to the snapshot you saved. It's important to note that if you've made any changes to the dataset in the Build tab since the last time you saved your snapshot, those changes will be lost if you revert to a snapshot. To save the changes, first, save the dataset as a snapshot before reverting to another one. I'll show you how to do this later in this video. To revert to a snapshot, click the snapshot icon and select Show Snapshot List. Select the snapshot you want to revert to from the Snapshots panel. Click Use and select Revert to this snapshot. If you want to save any changes to your dataset so that you don't lose any changes, select the Save checkbox. Then click Yes, Revert. LandingLens automatically loads the model you reverted to.
Visit the Landing AI Support Center and community for more information.